Here's our JEE Advanced 2017 physics problem. Pause the video, try solving it yourself, and then let's compare your approach with the my solution.
तो क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है, आयोडीन 131 goes beta decay into an isotope of xenon which has a half life of 8 days, and that is 192 hours. And from there you can calculate the decay constant lambda ln 2 by t half 192 sorry 0.7 to odd numbers. Now क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है कि small amount of iodine 131 injected into blood, injected a person blood. Okay, activity of that iodine is equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power 5 becquerel. Now what is activity? Now we all know there is a formula called n equal to n naught to the power minus lambda t, where n is the at any instant t the number of nuclei in a radioactive sample is n equal to n naught. This is the initial number of radioactive nuclei of that sample. Now activity is A is equal to dn by dt mod. This will give you n naught lambda to the power minus and lambda t, and this is your initial activity A0, A naught to minus lambda t. Now here our A naught is 2.4 into 10 to the power 5 becquerel. Okay, now after 11.5 hours our A will be A naught to the power minus lambda t, that is A naught to the power minus lambda 11.5 by 192. Now this is very small. Compared to 1. So from the law of exponential we can write this A naught 1 minus 0.7 11.5, because you can see in the denominator there is 192, that is very large. Okay, now for the convenience of the calculation you can consider it as A naught. Okay, at the last of the calculation you can see the benefit of using this. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला कि 11.5 आवर के बाद हमने कुछ सैंपल लिया था, .5 ml का ब्लड सैंपल लिया था, तो उसमें आयोडीन का जो एक्टिविटी है इसको हम A प्राइम मान सकते हैं, जो है जिसका वैल्यू है 115 becquerel. Now it is said that iodine got uniformly distributed into blood. सो सिंपल है, अगर 2.5 ml में हमें अगर 115 becquerel हमें 2.5 ml ब्लड सैंपल में देखने को मिल रहा है, तो 2.4 into 10 to the power 5 becquerel हमें कितने सैंपल को देखने को मिल सकता है, 2.5 into 2.4 10 to the power 5 divided by 115. So that is basically 5 sorry 23 5. Now this will become 120 by 23 into 10 to the power cube ml. Okay. This will give you around 5.2 liter. Now see, this is approximately 5 liter. Now 0.2 liter you get extra because of that. You have considered it is a naught. If you consider it with the exact value that we get from this expression, then you get exactly here 5 liter. Okay. Now that's your answer. I mean the total volume of blood in person's body is 5 liter.